Cardano cost, all things considered, has been performing very well when contrasted with, in every practical sense, major altcoins, which truly is genuinely critical. It truly beat both BTC and ETH last week, as ADA cost generally flooded by 15.9% in a very enormous manner. Our examination certainly shows that, sort of because of a new breakout. ADA coin certainly is probably going to continue flooding before very long in an unpretentious manner. As a matter of fact, yet again on Tuesday, crypto markets recuperated from their Monday lows as BTC cost truly broke above $30,000, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This likewise prompted a cost expansion in altcoins, which for the most part, in every practical sense, showed a kind of certain cost activity, which by and large is very critical. ADA cost was additionally up 2.9% for the day as the coin changed hands at 0.446 during its London meeting. Cardano TVL hits yearly in every way that really matters, high in an extremely large way. As referenced in our last Cardano cost examination, the by and large all-out locked esteem on its blockchain especially has continually been expanding starting from the beginning of 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. During this time, the TVL in every way that really matters has expanded from $50.8 million to an incredible $171.6 million, or so they thought. This TVL increment focuses towards an expanded organization action, which essentially is genuinely critical. See, according to DEFI Llama, Miniswap in every way that really matters is right now practically the greatest in every way that really matters decentralized application on the Cardano blockchain, with a TVL of $61.82 million, which most certainly is very huge. Indigo and Wing Riders possess the especially next two spots with $31.35 M and $19.38 M TVL in an unobtrusive manner. Details likewise show that there in a real sense has been a 2.78% TVL expansion in the genuinely beyond 24 HRS in an every way that really matters huge way. Cardano value may siphon another half incredibly. Specialized examination of the ADA graph basically shows that the cost truly has broken out of one of the really significant protections on sort of day-to-day and week-after-week time period. The 40 cents opposition fundamentally had already especially brought about truly numerous dismissals and cost inversions, which is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, because of the new expansion and network reception, the cost broke over this opposition and generally is uniting at present. Once more, because of this breakout, Cardano cost forecast basically has flipped bullish in an unobtrusive manner. Our examination for the most part shows that the cost presently especially has opened certainly in excess of a half. Potential gain is commonly lengthy as it really holds the 0.40 level, or so they thought. In any case, there generally is as yet a chance of another retest of the 40 cents minus 42 cents level to flip it into hell. This could sort of be a whole lot better purchasing a valuable open door before long. What truly is Cardano? Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain stage that in a real sense says its decently objective is to generally permit changemakers, trendsetters, and visionaries to really achieve, all things considered, positive worldwide change, which for the most part is very huge. To advance genuinely more about this venture, look at our truly profound jump of Cardano in a significant manner basically. The open source project likewise explicitly expects to reallocate power from unapproachable designs to the edges to people, serving to by and large make a general public that most certainly is substantially more secure, sort of straightforward and fair, which really is genuinely huge. Cardano really was established back in 2017 and named after the 16th century pretty Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano in a genuinely huge manner. The local Ada in every practical sense token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, generally viewed as the world's most memorable software engineer in a genuinely significant manner. The Ada especially token is intended to in a real sense guarantee that proprietors can sort of partake in the activity of the organization, or so they especially thought. Along these lines, the individuals who hold the digital money especially reserve the option to decide on any proposed changes to the product. The group behind the layered blockchain expressed that there especially have proactively been some genuinely convincing use cases for its innovation, which certainly expects to permit kind of decentralized applications and brilliant agreements to generally be created with seclusion, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson basically declared the send-off of the Alonzo hard fork, making Cardano cost flood, acquiring 116% in the next month, which basically is very huge, on sept, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. 2021, the Cardano Alonzo for the most part hard fork authoritatively sent off, carrying exceptionally savvy contract usefulness to the blockchain, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. More than 100 truly shrewd agreements in every practical sense were sent in the accompanying 24 hours after the send-off, which is genuinely huge. Cardano is utilized by horticultural organizations to follow truly new, for the most part produced from field to fork, while extremely different items based on the stage in a real sense permit instructive qualifications to basically be put away in a sealed manner, and retailers to by and large clip down on fake merchandise, which certainly is very critical. Who are the organizers behind Cardano? Cardano, in every practical sense, was established by Charles Hoskinson, who truly was likewise one of the fellow benefactors of the Ethereum network. Amazingly, he for the most part is the president of IOHK, the organization that fabricated Cardano's blockchain, which for the most part is very critical. In a meeting for CoinMarketCap's Crypto Titans series, Hoskinson in a real sense said that he, all things considered, engaged in digital currencies back in 2011, and fiddled with mining and exchanging, which especially is genuinely critical. He basically made sense of that. His most memorable expert contribution in the business came in 2013, when he made a course about Bitcoin that sort of turned out to be taken by 80,000 understudies, or so they thought. As well, similar to an innovation business person, Hoskinson is likewise a mathematician, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In 2020, his innovation organization gave Ader really worth $500,000 to the College of Wyoming's Blockchain Innovative Work Lab. Amazingly, what generally makes Cardano exceptional? Cardano sort of is one of the, in a real sense, the greatest blockchains to effectively utilize a proof-of-stake agreement component, which really is most certainly less energy sort of concentrated than the evidence of work calculation depended upon by Bitcoin, albeit the much essentially bigger Ethereum truly will overhaul POS. This progress in every way that really matters is simply going to slowly especially occur. The venture has invested heavily in guaranteeing that all of the innovation created goes through a course of friend-explored research, implying that strong thoughts can especially be in a real sense tested before they sort of are approved, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the Cardano group, this exceptionally scholarly thoroughness helps the blockchain to in a real sense be sturdy and in every practical sense stable, expanding the opportunity that very potential entanglements can explicitly be expected ahead of time. The Alonzo hard fork send-off in September 2021 will in a real sense stop the Shelley period and usher in the Gauguin ease in an unpretentious way. Clients can basically create and explicitly convey truly savvy contracts on Cardano, permitting sort of local exceptionally decentralized applications to really be based on blockchain, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost for the most part broke the $3 mark and certainly hit an unequaled especially high of $3.10 on Sept, or so they most certainly thought. 2021, in front of the send-off in an unpretentious manner.